So I think that's our point. In terms of getting ready for business, we're very fortunate. We invested in our sister business invested in an online software product to sell cars online. So we have sold about a third of the cars we would normally sell at this time of year, and even in the closed period. Of those sales, 35% of them have been completed online by the customer doing it themselves. So that is a major step forward. And we surveyed the guests, our entire database actually last week, to say, how are you going to want us to operate when we get back? So great responses. 15% of people on the database said they would purchase completely online. So that really changes. That's up from, if they asked the same survey last year, you're about 3%. So consumers are clearly wanting a different level of service. They're also actually saying they'll only do 35% of them said they'd only come in if we reassured them that the place was a safe place to visit, which is interesting as well. So you're not on the shopping list anymore unless you're a safe place to visit. So yes, we're doing distance selling. Yes, we've organised click and collect. We're allowed to. We're not allowed to do that in Scotland yet. And yes, we've looked at the showroom setup for when people do come in. So we've even done some, obviously the same thing applies for service. So guests that can't go to the Scottish showroom even to get the car service. So we have to swap keys in the car park. So we've got sanitation stations in a van. We actually kitted out a van for every car park. So people can, we can demonstrate the safety principles we're putting in place with a team in the car park in a van, which is striped up. So we're doing all the things we think we can do. Obviously, we're not waiting specific for the legal information. You're having to make decisions. Our purpose at the minute is physical well-being, mental well-being, physical well-being, and financial well-being of our colleagues, and then try and do the same thing for guests when they come in. So you are feeling as if you're charging on with some of these ideas and the legal positions coming afterwards. But you're always just trying to do the right thing, I think, and that's where we're trying to do the right thing, and we're ready for whatever the government day that'll give us some clarity on what we do next.